The ancient Stoics were firm believers in the power of discretion and the virtue of silence. They recognized that not every thought or experience warrants expression to the world. As the Stoic philosopher Epicurus once said, "There's only one way to happiness, and that is to cease worrying about things which are beyond the power of our will." With this profound wisdom in mind, let's delve into the 7 principles that Stoicism teaches us to hold close in our pursuit of wisdom and inner strength. Don't speak ill of yourself, Stoicism, an ancient philosophy emphasizing inner strength and resilience, staunchly advises against speaking ill of oneself. This principle, epitomized by the wisdom of Stoic philosopher and Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius, underscores the profound impact of negative self-talk on our well-being and personal growth. Negative self-talk, whether expressed aloud or internalized, can gradually erode our self-confidence and hinder our ability to thrive. By indulging in self-deprecating thoughts, we undermine our sense of worth and perpetuate a cycle of self-doubt and limitation. Marcus Aurelius recognized the danger of such detrimental inner dialogue, urging us to refrain from overheard complaints, even to ourselves. Instead, Stoicism advocates for a mindset rooted in self-compassion and growth. Rather than dwelling on perceived shortcomings, we are encouraged to focus on our inherent strengths and potential for development. By cultivating a positive and affirming inner narrative, we empower ourselves to overcome obstacles and pursue our goals with confidence. In essence, Stoicism teaches us the importance of guarding our thoughts and speech, recognizing their profound influence on our perceptions and actions. By embracing a mindset of self-compassion and resilience, we can navigate life's challenges with greater ease and cultivate a more fulfilling and meaningful existence. Don't boast about self-improvement. Stoic philosopher Epictetus emphasized the virtue of humility and discretion when it comes to self-improvement. In his teachings, he cautioned against the temptation to boast about one's efforts and accomplishments, advocating instead for a more subdued and introspective approach. The Stoic philosophy underscores the importance of letting our actions speak louder than words in the pursuit of personal growth. Rather than seeking validation or recognition from others, we should focus on our own development for its intrinsic value. Boasting about our progress not only risks diluting the sincerity of our intentions, but also undermines our motivation to continue growing. Self-improvement, according to Stoicism, is a deeply personal journey that should be undertaken for the betterment of oneself, not for the applause or admiration of others. By internalizing this perspective, we can cultivate a sense of authenticity and purpose in our pursuit of growth. In essence, Stoicism teaches us to prioritize substance over spectacle, emphasizing the importance of humility and discretion in our quest for self-improvement. By embracing these principles, we can cultivate a more genuine and fulfilling path to personal development. Don't be a glutton. Ausonius, another Stoic philosopher, stressed the importance of moderation in all aspects of life, particularly in eating and drinking habits. Excessive indulgence can lead to physical and mental burdens, undermining discipline and self-control. Moderation, as a universal principle, promotes balance and harmony in personal endeavors and daily living. Don't be a big mouth. Zeno, hailed as the foundational figure of Stoicism, imparted timeless wisdom regarding the importance of listening over speaking. In our contemporary world, characterized by incessant chatter and the clamor for attention, Zeno's teachings resonate more profoundly than ever. In essence, Zeno's guidance underscores the art of active listening as a cornerstone of meaningful communication. Rather than striving to dominate conversations with our own voices, we should prioritize receptivity and attentiveness to others' perspectives. This approach not only fosters deeper connections, but also cultivates empathy and understanding in our interactions. In a society where the cacophony of opinions often drowns out genuine dialogue. Embracing Zeno's philosophy can serve as a beacon of light. By embracing the virtue of listening, we create space for authentic connection and mutual respect to flourish. Rather than succumbing to the temptation of incessant speech, we honor the value of each individual's voice by lending our ears with genuine interest and empathy. Moreover, Zeno's emphasis on listening extends beyond mere courtesy. It is an embodiment of wisdom and humility. Through active listening, we acknowledge the inherent complexity of human experiences and recognize that true understanding requires openness and receptivity. In practical terms, adopting a mindset of listening involves more than just the absence of speech. It requires a conscious effort to engage fully with others' words, emotions, and perspectives. By doing so, we signal our willingness to empathize, learn, and grow from each interaction. By prioritizing listening over speaking, we not only deepen our relationships, but also enrich our own lives. Through the act of attentive listening, we gain new insights, broaden our horizons, and nurture a deeper sense of connection with the world around us. In conclusion, Zeno's timeless wisdom reminds us that in a world dominated by noise, the power of listening remains a transformative force. By embracing the virtue of attentive listening, we honor the diversity of human experiences, foster genuine connections, and cultivate a deeper understanding of ourselves and others. Don't be too focused on the future. Stoicism offers a profound lesson on the perils of fixating excessively on future events, emphasizing the importance of embracing the present moment. Epicurus, a prominent Stoic philosopher, urged individuals to acknowledge the inherent limits of their control and to redirect their focus towards the here and now. Central to Stoic teachings is the concept of choosing reactions wisely. While we may not have control over external circumstances or the unfolding of future events, we possess agency over how we respond to them. By cultivating mindfulness and consciously choosing our responses, we can mitigate unnecessary stress and anxiety, thereby fostering greater happiness and resilience. Furthermore, Stoicism encourages individuals to reduce undue concern about the future. By recognizing the inherent unpredictability of life, we can liberate ourselves from the burden of worrying about circumstances beyond our control. Instead, we can channel our energy towards taking proactive steps in the present moment, thereby empowering ourselves to shape our future in a positive manner. In essence, Stoicism teaches us to find solace in the present moment and to refrain from becoming entangled in the uncertainties of the future. By embracing the philosophy of acceptance and mindfulness, we can cultivate a deeper sense of contentment and tranquility, regardless of external circumstances. In conclusion, the Stoic principle of not being too focused on the future offers valuable insights into leading a more fulfilling and balanced life. By adopting a mindset of acceptance and mindfulness, we can navigate life's uncertainties with grace and resilience, ultimately finding greater happiness and inner peace in the present moment. Don't be ungrateful. In Stoic philosophy, expressing gratitude is not just a virtue, it's a fundamental practice that enriches our lives and relationships. Being ungrateful, on the other hand, can have detrimental effects, both on ourselves and on those around us. When we fail to acknowledge the blessings in our lives and express gratitude for them, we risk alienating ourselves from others and creating a sense of entitlement. Moreover, overlooking the good things that come our way can lead to a diminished sense of well-being and contentment. Cultivating gratitude, on the other hand, has numerous benefits. It strengthens our relationships by fostering a sense of appreciation and reciprocity. When we express gratitude to others, we acknowledge their contributions and make them feel valued and respected. This, in turn, deepens our connections with them and creates a positive atmosphere of mutual support and understanding. Furthermore, cultivating gratitude enriches our personal experiences and enhances our overall sense of well-being. By focusing on the positive aspects of our lives and expressing gratitude for them, we become more attuned to the richness and abundance that surrounds us. This shift in perspective allows us to find joy and fulfillment in the simplest of things, ultimately leading to a more meaningful and satisfying life. In conclusion, expressing gratitude is an essential practice in Stoic philosophy that fosters positive relationships, enriches personal experiences, and promotes overall well-being. By cultivating gratitude in our daily lives, we not only strengthen our connections with others but also enhance our own sense of happiness and fulfillment. Avoid complaining. Avoiding the habit of complaining is central to Stoic philosophy, which advocates for proactive problem-solving and maintaining a positive outlook. Stoicism teaches that dwelling on problems without seeking solutions only perpetuates negativity and discontent. Instead, by focusing on gratitude and cultivating a mindset of resilience, individuals can transcend the cycle of complaint and find greater contentment in life. Rather than lamenting what is lacking or going wrong, Stoicism encourages us to shift our perspective towards gratitude for what we have. This shift in mindset fosters resilience and strengthens our ability to cope with life's challenges. Stoic teachings emphasize acceptance of circumstances beyond our control and taking responsibility for our reactions to them. By embracing this philosophy, we learn to navigate adversity with grace and fortitude. Furthermore, Stoicism emphasizes the importance of personal agency and proactive problem-solving. Rather than passively complaining about our circumstances, we are encouraged to take action to improve them. This proactive approach empowers individuals to effect positive change in their lives and the world around them. In essence, avoiding complaining aligns with Stoic principles of gratitude, resilience, and personal agency. By embracing these principles, individuals can cultivate a more positive and fulfilling way of life. Instead of dwelling on problems, they focus on solutions, fostering inner peace and happiness amid life's inevitable challenges. Conclusion: in essence, Stoicism teaches us the value of selective silence, reminding us that not every thought or emotion needs to be expressed. By practicing discretion in communication, we can deepen our understanding of ourselves and the world around us, ultimately leading to a more meaningful existence filled with wisdom and inner strength.